All the chessboard has 64 squares. Okay, every square has a name. Example, see here. Read
I
this.
know.
What square name is this?
G5.
G5. Very good. Like this, I'm going to mark another square. These are called notations. Okay. What about this square name?
A6.
A6. Very good. What about this square name?
E4.
E4. Very good. So, how to identify means you have to see the letter and number and you have to combine it. Okay, E4 square. Very good. What about this square name?
H3.
H3. Very nice. Very good. You are doing very well. It's easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy.
This
Okay.
is for babies.
Yes. So these are called notations. Okay, notation. Just square names. Okay. At last this one. What about this?
F2.
F2. Okay. I stop share the screen. We will go to the puzzle. Yes. So here you can see so many lessons. Today we are going to do. Wait.
Can
What?
we please do mate in one?
See something. You have to learn new things. Mate in one. I think already you know this. Okay. If you want, no problem. We will do mate in one. Okay. Yes. Here's the puzzle. Easy puzzle. Mate in one move. Make the correct move and mate your opponent. Okay, first of all I have to say what is checkmate. Checkmate means what?
The game's over when the black
King,
or white's king dies.
not dice, king trap. When the king trap, game is over. Very good. Okay. Here's your first puzzle. White to move, checkmate the black king in one move. You have
Knight
to
to
tell the square name wherever the piece you want to move.
Knight to G7.
Yes, knight g7, it's not a checkmate, it's a check. You're attacking the
Yeah,
king,
I know.
but the king can move away from the check.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, so using the queen, you can trap the king in one move with the help of
I
knight.
So I can just.
See, knight is controlling this square e7.
Just move your queen to E7.
Yes, this is what I am also trying to explain you. Knight is controlling the e7 square. Queen is also controlling the e7. So queen moves to e7 square. Queen is attacking the king, and king can't move anywhere because all the squares are controlled by the white queen. Okay, I have a doubt. Why king can't capture the queen? I'm trying to capture
Because
the
the knight
queen.
is protecting it.
Yes, excellent. Easy. If you have any doubts?
Easy.
Okay,
Easy.
next